Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hailey, local and long-distance movers near me. When it's time to relocate, the right moving options matter. We offer the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. If you're ready to be relocated 100 miles away or further, you need our long-distance movers to help. It's a big transition, and the last thing you need is the stress of moving all your things. Let us take the hard work off your plate by providing the moving services you need. Are you considering hiring an Idaho moving company for a local move? You might wonder if it's worth the cost. With the time-saving benefits and the heavy lifting off your shoulders, it becomes well worth every penny you'll spend. You won't have to recruit people to help with furniture or risk of injury. Professional movers such as 3 men and a truck not only do the heavy lifting, but also streamline your moving process. We know how to get you settled into your new location faster. A move that might take you all week to do, we can get done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hailey moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.